In this video, I'm going to share with you a strategy I used to get a trade during the New York session that gave me a reward of 4 risk to reward, that is 4RR. Before we begin, a disclaimer: this content is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't take it as a financial advice. The idea behind this strategy is to wait for liquidity generated in London session or New York morning session to be purged after the 9:30 opening. I'll jump into a 5-minute chart so that I can show you how I was able to identify these liquidity zones. So this is the micro Nasdaq Futures 5-minute chart, and during the morning session in that is 4 a.m. That is London session, we left this liquidity area. I'm going to mark this with this line. So this is some minor liquidity that was left, and we also have some morning session liquidity that is above this candle from 8:20. So in the opening candle, the 9:30 opening candle, 9:30, we wait for the market to purge the liquidity. So I'll jump back to the 1 minute. So basically, after we purge the liquidity that we had identified in New York morning session or London session, we now start looking for an opportunity to take a sell side liquidity that has been generated after, basically before taking that liquidity. So I'm going to mark the sell side liquidity that we are looking to target. So for my strategy, I don't need for the market to go all the way down here, because I'm looking for just a few points getting in and out of the market. And also the strategy requires that we look for trades, or this model requires that we look for trades within 950. So I'm going to mark 950 is already marked to 1050. So within this window is where I'm looking to get an entry, basically to get to these sell side liquidity or the buy side liquidity. So at 9:50, we can see that we had already purged the morning session, New York morning session liquidity, and after that we took the London session liquidity, including the midnight liquidity, as you can see from this candle at 12 a.m. New York time zone. So after that, now this is an alarm for me to start looking for sell side liquidity. So for this entry, I'm going to enable the execution marks. So I'll go to trading, enable execution marks. So you can see where I entered this trade. I'll also just add these where exactly I had my stop loss and my target, which is this liquidity. I was not going for all this way, because this was also another manipulation that took place in the market, that is after the 9:30 opening, that pushed taking these London and New York morning session liquidity. So there's no need to target this because I already have a good risk to reward for this trade. Now, so the main confirmation for me to enter this trade was the previous candle. This is at 10:04. 4 minutes past 10. This candle was a green candle when it opened, and it was green. It was trying to push above this high, but it failed and closed as a bearish candle. The next candle opening, I entered that trade, and my target was just as I said, this sell side liquidity that was left with the first run in the morning. It's also good to note that if you're just starting trading and you need more confirmation, a better opportunity presented itself once we saw the market closing below this. This gives this run up as a order block. So you would avoid for a closure below that, and then just take an entry, a limit order at the opening of these green candle, and you will also be triggered and take your profits at the sell side liquidity. So in this trade, I had a small drawdown, and the trade itself took around. I can just confirm this. The trade took around around 8 minutes to hit my target, and that will have been this will be the end of my trading day because the return for this trade is 1 to 4. So I'll be closing my trading day at this time. So thank you so much for joining me in this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.